Hey guys, so today I want to do a video on my travel bag. I've been planning to do this video before I traveled, but I'm back now, so I said let me do it before I unpack my bag. We went on a best friend trip to Mexico, Cancun for a little less than a week, and we had so much fun. The vlog for that is already up, so you can watch it down below. Before I start, I want to show you guys some of the jewelry that I got from Soufeel. Soufeel is very popular. They have a lot of like custom necklaces and stuff, but I wore them during my trip in Cancun. But my other name necklaces that I've had before, you guys have asked me about it. The one that's like my full name and then my middle name, they're from the same company. So I'll do a close-up and show you guys some of the things that I got. First one is this one, and I wrote African Queen on it, and you can write anything you want, so I just did African Queen for this one. This one says royalty. So this is my name in silver. Custom what you want it to say, but mine says queen. Big zirconia diamond right here. And then the letter M. So that's that. There's a choker, and it's like a stars choker. Yeah, so check out Soufeel. They have cute stuff. Alright, so let's get into my what's in my bag video. So this is my Louis Neverfull MM. Yeah, Louis Neverfull MM. I got this bag I got it for my birthday, 2014 or 15. Anytime I get a designer bag, I always get a designer bag only when it's like a memorable event or trip, so it means something. And I'm not just buying a designer bag just because like I can. So all my designer bags, I've gotten them based on a specific event, so that anytime I carry it and I wear it and I look at it, I think about it, like I have the memory of why I got it, where I got it, and stuff like that. So this one, I got it for myself for my birthday, and I got it in downtown Cincinnati because they have a Louis Vuitton store. I think that's the only Louis Vuitton store in Ohio, I think. It has an organizer, so I'll show you the organizer when everything is out. But first I have my cosmetic pouch. Put all my electronics in here, like my hard drive, my portable charger. This portable charger is the best one by Mophie. I got it from Sprint. I have my headphones, my charging cords, my portable speaker. This is the iHome portable speaker. And I'll show you guys my favorite phone charger. So this one is 10 feet long. Is it 10 feet? I think 10 feet or 6 feet, one of those. I think this one's 6 feet, the other one's 10 feet. But I like these cords. They're like the braided cord because they last longer. Then this pouch is like one of my old like first samples of when I was creating my Ankara print cap pouch. But this one, it didn't make the cut, but I still use it because I still have it. So electronics. So next I'll have my laptop, my MacBook, my wallet, my Kate Spade wallet, my planner, my personal planner. Before I guys forget to tell you, like, make sure you order your personal planner because they're based in Sweden and they take a couple weeks to get here. Upside down. So this is my 2018 one. That's what it looks like up close. They're all like personalized and customized, and you can customize like the covers, the inside, and everything like that. So this cover was one of the ones they had on their website, and I picked it. But this year I have mine already for like next year, I mean, and I designed it myself. So this is my cover of my new one, and this is my back cover. So I picked it, so it's so cute. It has my name on it, and then 2019. Next I have my passport. I have actually my passport cover. We're working on designing passport covers, African print passport covers. So this is mine. This is a sample leather. And then I have my passport in here. And then I have some pesos left. Let's see. 680. I have like 80 pesos in the bills. And then I got some pesos coins. I don't know what their coins are called, but I have some pesos coins. See, I have my boarding pass. This is from American. This is going from my layover, so from Dallas to Columbus, because there was a stop. So yeah, American. I have random business cards from people that I meet. I have my car insurance info. I always keep ibuprofen on me, so I have these little container things from the travel section at Walmart, and I always put like lotion or Vaseline and stuff, or my medicine. So I have my ibuprofen, always have that on hand. I have a to-do list on my sticky note. I have Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer, Nivea hand lotion, and then this Neverfull MM, it comes with a pouch. So this one I have in here, I have some perfumes. This is Bath and Body Works perfume, 1,000 Wishes. I have a pen. I have a Dior mini mascara. And I have another pen in there. My mouse to go with my laptop. I have a container of Vaseline for my lips. I always have like Vaseline. I always need Vaseline. Like always need that. Like my lifeline. I have this Poopery. I got this from Ulta. I like to travel with this in my bag because you never know when you're gonna need it wherever you are. But it's like a spray, like a toilet spray, to make the bathroom smell good before you use it. So it's lavender, vanilla, and citrus, and it smells like a lemon drop. But it actually really works, and it's really nice. As I said, I have this at Ulta, so I always carry that on me. I actually have my name tag from work because I had to go to work when I came back. But this is my Walmart name tag. I'm a Walmart pharmacist. My laptop charger. And then let's see, I have 2 lip gloss. So I have the Fenty Gloss Bomb, always need this. And then I have this other lip gloss. I only carry it because it has a mirror on it, and then also it has a light. So if you're in the club and you need to put on your lip gloss, it has a light on it. Can you see the light? You guys see the light? I think not. Okay, anyways, it has a light on it, so you can be like, my customs form. Yeah, my US customs form that you fill out before you get to Mexico. I have a Walmart receipt. What did I buy? Oh, this is Walmart in Mexico. So we got what is it? I got some Caesar dressing, vodka, water, what is that? Oh, sun lotion, sunblock, Lipton tea, wine cooler. Oh, this is my other what is it? My other boarding pass from Spirit. This was from Columbus to Fort Lauderdale, so going to Cancun. But those Spirit Airlines. How do you guys like Spirit Airlines? Like, I have a love-hate relationship with Spirit Airlines. Like Spirit, like, I hate flying them, but then when they have the good deals, it's like you can't pass it up. So yeah, Spirit, sometimes you just have to know what you're getting into before you have to put your mindset in that before you get on, so you don't get annoyed about Spirit Airlines. But yeah, and then that's it. And I'll show you guys the organizer. I got this organizer from eBay. They have so many Louis organizers for all the different bags they have, but I got this one because all this stuff in there, if you just throw it in there, it's like, it's just gonna be a mess, because the other bag is just like that. And then the bag doesn't even come with this thing. So the bag just comes like this, regular like this. And then I got this from eBay. Yeah, this was from Amazon. I got this from eBay, and it's a plate for the bottom of your bag, because if you don't put it on, then your bag will sink. So I put that at the bottom. Like, as soon as I got this bag, I got it. I think I already even ordered it before I knew I was getting the bag, because I was like, I am not carrying that bag without this thing. So then I got this from Amazon. This is an organizer. See how it has a bunch of pockets to organize everything? So all that stuff that was in my bag, it was organized. And then this can even come out, and you can just have it like open. But I kept it in there because I need all those little pockets to organize all my stuff. Like that. And then it slips right into the bag perfectly. And the Neverfull GM or MM, whatever the size is, they all come in different colors. So my bag is red, so I got the red to match. They have the tan one for the tan to match. They have a pink one for the pink to match. And I think that's it. And they have other colors if you don't want it to necessarily match. They have like pink and gray and black, brown, blue. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And then it has a little clasp here if you want it. I never close this thing, but it has a closey thing. So if you want to close your bag, let's see if we can do it. You can close like that. But I love this bag. It's so perfect for travel. I always use it for like more international travel because it's really big, and then once you pack it in, it gets pretty heavy. So especially international traveling, I carry a lot more stuff because, you know, you're on the road or in the air flying longer time, so there's more stuff that I need to hold and stuff like that. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, my cell phone obviously is going to be in there, and then my tripod. I have my tripod in my bag too. So this is like my travel tripod. It's mini, but it actually can expand to like full length regular tripod size, so I kept that in there too. But other than that, that was all that's in my travel bag. I'll do more of these if you guys like them for next time I travel. I always like plan to do it, and then it always gets so crazy and hectic traveling, so I never get to them doing it. But I made sure I did it when I got back. So hope you guys like that. Make sure you check out Soufeel for some jewelry, customized jewelry and stuff like that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Checking them off my